bumukol sa pipit sa sanga ng isang kahoy. Ang nahagip ng bato, ang pakpak ng munting ibon. Dahil sa sakit, hindi na kaya pang lumipad. At ang nangyayari ay nahulog, ngunit parang taong bumigkas. Lamang kay lupit, ang puso mo'y nanahaban. Pag pumanaw na ang buhay ko, may isang bibig na iiyak. May bukol sa pipit sa sanga ng isang kahoy. At nahagip ng bato ang pagpak ng munting ibon. Dahil sa sakit, di na magkaya pang lumipad. At ang nangyayari ay nahulog, ngunit parang taong bumigas. Mamang kay lupit, ang gusto mo'y di nalaban. Pag pumanaw na ang buhay ko, may isang bibig na iiyak. Mamang kay lupit, ang gusto mo'y di nalaban. Pag pumanaw na ang buhay ko, may isang bibig na iiyak. Okay, wait lang, this is for, because, we just learned that Miss Pelita is like, honestly, I am a very shy boy, so everybody wants to teach me how to sing. I never really considered it before because I always thought I had a low voice. Though if I have a low, round sounding, Adele sounding voice. Apparently, upon recording with my cell phone, my voice really sounds like this otherworldly tone. This weird, very weird, wispy sound. So, and then my very first, like, I was pushed to the stage. It was on Madam Pelita Corrales' bar. I never really thought about it at the time, but I think my Lola was there because she is a fan of Pelita Corrales. And I never really thought I would learn myself how to sing. I'm still struggling on how to sing, but the thing is, those little moments that I don't think they would even think about or remember about it, but those are really core memories for me. So especially my Lola also have passed away a decade or two ago. So and my Lola is a very big fan of Pelita Corrales. She also looks like Pelita Corrales in a way. So it's kinda as a fan, like an outsider of the Gutierrez family, it's like losing a Lola talaga. So anyway, Rest in peace po and condolences po.